Hey guys, it's Miss Jessica here at the Grapevine Public Library, and today we're going to do an experiment with some water and some glass mason jars, what I'm using, and a glass bowl so that you can see it from all sides. And I put some food coloring in this so that it would be easy to see where the water was. What's nice about this is it's easy to do and it's fun to make predictions to see what can happen. So first I'm going to take this and I'm going to submerge it in water as much as I can, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to make a seal so that it seals with the bottom of the bowl. If you look at it, you can see the water all the way up to the top of the mason jar almost, just a little ways. And then of course there's water still inside the bowl. And so the prediction that we're going to make is what's going to happen to the water when I start to pull the cup up out of the bowl. My very first time I made a prediction, I said that I thought it was going to drop, the level was going to drop when the water got down. So like I thought that if I lifted my cup up, it was going to drop the water down because it was going to be pulled out of the bowl. But I was surprised to find out that when I did this and I lifted it up, as long as I kept the bottom part of the cup inside the water actually stayed inside the glass. But when I pulled it up, it dropped out. So the question would be, why is the water staying inside the cup? Well, there's this thing called air pressure, and when the air pressure sits on top of a glass, like here it's inside the glass and there's that little bit of air pocket, well that's actually pushing down on the water, and the pressure keeps the water inside the glass. Now once we break that seal, the pressure releases and gravity does its job and pulls the water down. It's really kind of cool to think about it, that's how when you flip a boat over and there's water inside the boat, and you're like, how is that boat still floating? Well, the air that's on the top of that, or top of the water underneath the boat, that pressure is keeping that boat floating, which is also keeping, if you were to be underneath that boat, you could actually breathe because there's enough air underneath there to keep that boat floating. It's the same thing. So let's go ahead and pull it up, and it does it again. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to come by the library and I'll be glad to answer what I can. All right, thank you.